Meaning of heart of oak.
Heart of oak.
Heart of oak.
Heart of oak.
Heart of oak. Heart of Oak is a traditional British naval song that was originally written as a tribute to Britain's Royal Navy. The song has been a popular patriotic anthem in the United Kingdom for over 2 centuries. It celebrates the steadfastness and courage of sailors who stand strong against the challenges of the sea, drawing parallels between their resilience and the strength and durability of the oak tree. The song's title is derived from this metaphorical association with the oak tree, which has long been revered in Britain for its toughness and resilience.